Wow.
At least he's smart enough not to dip that shit in ketchup.
Dude, it's tomato
Whoa,
paste,
whoa,
dude.
whoa. No, it's not. It's not this, Troy. That's not the point.
It's like a smoothie.
Gross. Do you fucking dip your pizza in ranch too?
That's actually pretty good. So this.
Wait, hold
That's
on,
a little
hold on,
different.
I haven't done that in years, so I don't know. But
Shit's delicious. You're missing out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's got this. Oh my god.
he's
Clip
nuts.
that! Clip that! Clip that! Clip that!
what?
Clip that! Clip that!